So you're getting into your Mercedes one morning, ready to go to work, and you notice a new disaster.
I can't deal with this.
Oh my God. The cabling duct between the door and the A-pillar somehow separated.
You gotta be kidding me!
What the hell? Look at that. The opening is right there. There's the wires. All the sensitive wires running from the door. And this thing just opened up. It disconnected. One side's still connected, but that part right there on the door just came off. There's a clip on the top and on the bottom, and if you look carefully, on the bottom, that clip is gone. It's like a sharp tooth that snaps it and holds it in place. This is insanity. It routes the wires from that door controller. Anyway, I've got an update. Let me show you. I'm going to go search for parts online. We're going to go look for Mercedes parts search on Google. You're going to get a bunch of results, a whole bunch of dealerships and parts sites. They're almost all the same, except the prices. Most people go to this one, MBUSA, the main parts site. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. It definitely doesn't have the best prices. All right. Now, I already have the part. My car's already selected in here. You don't need that, but you can just put the part number in there. Here's the part number for this item. Now, normally it was never in stock. I've checked for this in the past 3 years. Last year, 6 months ago, it wasn't there. But just like 2 weeks ago, I was searching and, well, let's go to Parts Center. Here's Parts Center. I put the part in, and there it is, $37. Are you kidding me? 37 bucks for this part. You need 2 of them. There it is. There's the description, the image of it, which is hard to tell what the hell that thing is. Number 10. This is what it's supposed to be. This is what the part checks out to. 215, 821. They call it a hose. $37. You click on it. Normally, it'll tell you if it's on back order or not available. But no, it doesn't say that. There's quantities you can pick right there. Nothing about a back order. Left or right side. This is for the W215. Amazing. This is insane. So I'd recommend, if you need these, if you've got worn out ones, or you just want to have them for the future, buy 2 of them. Don't be stingy. Don't buy a ton of others. All right? Just buy 2 of them. All right? If you can, please like, subscribe. I really need your subscriptions on this thing, and I hope this really helps out. One other bit of information I just want to say. I confirmed with Mercedes, one of my sources at Mercedes, that they have about 300 of these left in Germany. No. So they ship them from Germany to the US when you order it through dealership parts sites. So this is the time to get them. I don't think these are going to last once the news gets out. And I hope this is really helpful. If you need other parts, please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you're looking for.